Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do a front flip or a back flip in Skate 4. Now, doing a front or a back flip in Skate 4 is super simple. All you really need to know is that the left joystick on your controller is what controls the motion of your player when you're in the air. So if you want to do a front or a back flip, all you need to basically know is grab your board and use the left joystick to either go forwards or backwards. So let me show you how that looks. You'll just go, say, off a ramp, jump, hold your board, and hold your left joystick backwards. If you want to do a front flip, it's the exact same. Just jump off it and hold your joystick forwards. Super simple, and it's a very versatile trick. You can incorporate this within many different tricks, even if you're doing, a more fancy trick such as, I don't know, a cry stare or a judo walk or something. You just need to be holding your joystick forwards or backwards and you'll be flipping that way. If you found today's video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more. See ya.